We will start quite low. Wait it out if it's too low for you. Until you can join us. Make the sound dark and grounded. Pushing out your hands with your waist muscles. Will create an internal resistance you will later feel as support. Don't worry if the contraction feels pointless at this point. It will take time before your body will link that feeling to your voice. Gradually contract more and more as the scale goes up. And then gradually relax when the scale goes down. Focus on the pressure you feel in your belly. Make sure every breath fills you from the bottom up. And doesn't get stuck in the chest area. Feel the vibration of your chest. Put your hands on your cheeks if your jaw closes up. Feel free to stop if it becomes too high for you. Join back once it becomes comfortable enough. Keep the jaw opened and elongated. Think about imitating a male opera singer. Don't squeeze your throat. Relax your support muscles for every breath. Only sing as loud as possible, comfortably. Lower notes will naturally have lower volume. Let your voice follow its natural tendency. Feel free to stop if you get tired. And feel free to stop if it gets too low. We're almost done. Feel how the sound is coming from deep inside of your body. Good job.